Thanks for tuning in. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And for those of you who have been here before, you know that Rio de Janeiro is one of my favorite places to visit. My first time visiting Rio was in 2014, and I'm filming this in April 2020. So as you know, I have a lot of time on my hands right now. I've been going through all of my old photos and videos from vacations past, and I wanted to share just a little bit of that with you guys, things that may have fallen through the cracks now that I have all this time on my hands. So like I said, one of my first trips to Rio, my first trip to Rio de Janeiro was in 2014. And on that trip, we did a day trip to a small town, about 3 hours bus ride north of the city, called Buzios. And this is the place where Brazilians go to get away from the city of Rio de Janeiro. It's an amazing place, really beautiful. We ate some amazing food when we got there, and then we did a boat tour going all around the area, giving us these amazing vistas. After that, we did a dune buggy tour where we went to the highest point that we could, and just really took our time enjoying the city, taking in the scenery, learning a bit about the area. So I really hope you guys enjoy the view.
Não ouvi nada, meu irmão. Tá, boa tarde, galera.
Boa tarde.
So here we are in Buzios. In Portuguese, I believe it's pronounced Armacao dos Buzios. This is a resort town, a place where cariocas, people from the city of Rio de Janeiro, go to get away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Buzios has some amazing beaches and lovely, wealthy enclaves if you have the connections to be a part of that. One of the things I enjoyed most about this boat trip was the fact that I just got to lounge around, drink caipirinhas, eat shrimp, dance to music, and kick it with my favorite people all day long. Just amazing. The vistas from this boat remind me of old Italian films by directors like Federico Fellini. And at moments, a Brazilian film that I love called A Deriva, or in English, Adrift. I think you should check that film out. It is beautifully shot and just a wonderful story. In fact, I believe they filmed a lot of it in Buzios.
Give him 50. Okay.
Need an ass. Need an ass. Where you put it?
Start.
Where? See, I'm definitely not getting it now.
I'm lying. No, I'm Let's go. Go. Breathe. Vai.
Valeu, meu brother. Tá partindo aí, hein? Valeu, show. Amanhã estamos na área.
So like I said, after the boat tour where I jumped into the ocean without a life jacket and not knowing how to swim, we actually did a driving tour in a buggy, dune buggy, going all the way around Buzios, going up to the highest point we could go to. Just taking in the scenery, learning about the different areas in Buzios. I think we started on Orla de Bardot, which is named after the French actress Brigitte Bardot, who had a home there. And there's a statue of her actually that I took a picture with. I have no idea where that picture is. I'll probably put it on Instagram if I find it, or make it the thumbnail of this photo, of this video, I mean. But yeah, it was really nice to just be able to take in the scenery with people who knew the city pretty well. And when the sun set, it just became the most magical place. Enjoy. We were there in August, which is the low season. So a lot of the nightclubs and restaurants were closed. However, there is a high season when Buzios becomes one of the hottest party spots in the state of Rio de Janeiro. Like I mentioned before, Buzios has some amazingly wealthy enclaves that have gorgeous views. And while we were there were so many big houses under construction. Our tour guide stopped periodically so that we can take some photos and videos, but I mostly enjoyed the laid-back vibe of the day. Thank God Edric had his camera ready.
Somebody give me a beat!
Oh.
Saw all of my bikini that time.
Yeah. Oh well.
YouTube.
Yeah. Hey, it's all good.
You want to record?
So yeah, everybody had their cameras out and their phones, and yet nobody captured me dancing samba over a cliff, overlooking, you know, the sea and the sky and the rocks and the mountains. Nobody got video of that, but it's fine. That was 2014. It's 2020 now. I've grown as a dancer, so it's just as well. It's all good in the hood. But finally, after this, we made our way up to that highest point that our friend was telling us about, where we could enjoy the sunset and just watch the sky. So we watched the sky go from blue to pink to purple. You know, it was just the most beautiful thing. So I really, really enjoyed that day.
That are here are the same on the continent of Africa. It's the same. Wow. That's why when they started finding out the oil off the coast of Brazil, they started doing the same thing off of Africa. Say, well, this is the same land point, so we're gonna have the same offshore oil there. Oh yeah, there's a big plaque there showing. There's a plaque there showing you, telling you to. This is where it's coming. You can take a picture of it.
I almost forgot that before we got to the lookout point, we went to a secluded beach that had mostly pink sand to just chill. It was amazing and beautiful. I'm so glad Edric was there getting video because I was clearly in the moment. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it for you. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications because with all this time on my hands, I will likely be updating and uploading new videos with a lot more frequency. So I hope you guys will share this video with someone and I will see you guys soon on the internet. Bye.
Somebody give me a beat.
Oh.
Saw all of my bikini that time.
Yeah, oh well.
You too.
Yeah, it's all good.
You weren't